Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import custom fonts into CapCut PC. So I like this font for instance, and I'm just going to download the font here. Start download, and I'm just going to open up the font here, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to select install. Then I'm going to go to CapCut. I do have to close it, and then I have to reopen it again. It's called what? Raspberry. Okay. So I'm just going to open the project, go to text, and add in your default text. And I'm just going to type the name of the font. You don't have to, of course, type in anything. Go to font here and just search for Raspberry, like the font you downloaded, and it's going to be there. Ta-da! And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!